We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as at how to say more hard-to-guess words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? In British English, this is normally said as silver, silver, silver. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as silver, silver in American English versus silver in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.